just been part of it, coming up here, seeing the progress, getting feedback from whānau saying how wonderful it is to have our guys, have our whānau on site, and just awesome.
Seeing our whare come to life in front of our eyes is just awesome.
Yeah. And what better place to do it than in your papakainga here on Boot Hill, Ōrākei.
You've heard about our region, our city, and it's a place of opportunity, Waitemata Kupenga Rau, which speaks to collaboration, innovation, te taiao, and providing for future generations. So today I'm excited and honoured to announce an initiative with Kotahitanga Vision and the prosperity of all of our whānau, our tamariki and mokopuna at the fore, and that is Te Tomokanga ki Tāmaki, the gateway to Tāmaki.